Well, here we are, day 7 and step 7. If you put on some pounds during quarantine and have been emotionally eating and avoiding exercise, these are the steps that are geared to help you get back on track and lose those quarantine pounds and get you into the best body that you've ever had. So what we're going to talk about is building your support. People who exercise alone are less challenged, less accountable, more likely to fail. That makes sense. I mean, who would rush off to the gym if no one's waiting for them? Who would push themselves a little harder if no one was paying attention? Exercising on their own, for the most part, is a recipe for disaster. How many of you have been working consistently and persistently towards your health goal on your own during this pandemic? Put your name down, holla at me in the comment section because you deserve props. So finding a workout partner who is in better shape than you will help. Or better yet, work with me, your local fitness expert, to guarantee your results. You know I'm passionate about seeing you achieve results. Don't waste your time, energy, and effort on mistakes. When you start a program with me, you suddenly have that upper hand on reaching your optimum health and your sexy look. So I'll be in your corner, coaching you each step of the way, keeping you accountable to workouts and giving you that dose of encouragement when you need it the most. Get serious about your results. Begin the last weight management program that you'll ever need to do. All right, that's it for today. Train well, be intentional, and have faith. Bye.